Oh my gosh.
At 1:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Stanfordville, Oregon, 9 miles west of Madison, and is nearly stationary.
I know I was gonna do that! I knew I was gonna go nearly stationary! Look! I knew I was gonna go nearly stationary! I didn't think it would get severe thunderstorm warning though!
Some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles.
Bruh!
Roadways may become blocked by down trees.
You turn this volume down.
Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations of hazards include Hunter and Graves Hill.
What?
Or your protection room to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. And now a special weather state from the National Weather Service. Issued at 1:50 p.m. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of the
This thing's starting to get really close to me. I'm like right here. Let's go outside and check it out. I'll take you. I think I'm gonna get a charging dock for my AH-54. It looks kind of sad. But those are hard to find. I have to wait for one on eBay. Oh, forgot to close the door. Wow.
creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and other
Oh, boss. Excuse me.
The wind with southwest.
There's WX192. WX06. WX06. No, KJY86. Keep it on KZZ28 because that's my main station. Anyways, look at this thing. Oh, what the heck? The crap. Anyways, look at this thing. Bruh. I think this locust just hit me in the mouth. There's deer in there, cool. What the crap? That was so weird. Look at that nice cloud. Yes, look at that. Looks nice. Oh, look at this guy. Aww. Look at this cute little, you know, look at this cute little, little worm, I think. You wanna say hi? Hello, wanna say hi? You wanna be famous on YouTube? Oh, look at that. Put him down right here. Is he okay? Oh. Look how his toes are, his little feet are pointy and they can grip. Yeah. There he goes. He's trying to climb up the, yeah, there he goes. He's a little caterpillar. Oh, bye, buddy. Anyways, speaking of animals, alright, speaking of animals, this locust came flying in through here. Woo, boom into my mouth. It just hit me on the cheek. Why is our glass here? I love the shattering sound, but we're not gonna break it. So yeah, let's open the garage. I know I went out through the side door, but let's see. Anyways, yep. There's a little outdoor tour for you. Oh, hi. Hi. Huh? What? Cheers, Boomer. Cheers. Here's our game room. Sorry about the mess. Yeah. And here is our guest bedroom. Here's a small balcony here. Let's see here. Here's my room. Once again, sorry about the mess. As you can see, there's a flash flood warning. Oh wait, the severe thunderstorm warning is still in effect, really? Wait a minute. Whoa! Evacuation immediate! Whoa! Evacuation immediate! Medford, Oregon. EVI. A new EVI just got issued as when I walked in. WHC is off the air for some reason. Well, anyways, continuing on with the tour. Here's my rack. This went off our severe thunderstorm warning a few minutes ago. Here's my desk. A bed. Nice. Comfortable bed. Oh. Let me put you back. Oh, there you go. There you go, buddy. We got some Nerf guns here. Don't know if I can do this. There we go. There we go. Just put a round in it. But it's literally called a round, so shoot on the floor. This is just for another video. I'm building a stud house. Yeah. Well, I'll come back to you guys if there's another alert. See ya. They just issued this. They just issued a FFW for Rockingham. There it is! Yo! 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 Every one of them going out! Every one of them going out! Let's go!
Virginia has issued a flash.
Let's go! Oh, the HA-50 went off!
South Central Grant County in eastern West Virginia.
Let's go!
County in eastern West Virginia. Northeast
Yes, let's go!
Virginia until 6:30 p.m. At 3:30 p.m. Doppler radar indicates
Shame on you.
producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Hazard, flash flooding caused
Shame
by
on you.
thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Milam, Deer Run, Turn Around, Don't Drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. And now a special
Wow.
from your National Weather Service. Issued at 3:29 p.m.
I know!
Thunderstorms will impact portions of west central Chesterfield, north central Nottoway, Amelia, and southwestern Powhatan counties through 4:30 p.m. At 3:29 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near Cheatersville or near Amelia. Moving northeast at
Every one of the radios went off.
30 miles per hour and locally heavy rainfall. Source,
Look, this went off too! Let's go!
gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Locations impacted include Amelia Courthouse, Tuba, Cheatersville, Ballsville, Northern, Scottsport, Modockville, Childsville, Winterham, Paynesville, Maplewood, Fergusonville, Beatonville, Pomona, Lodore, Truxville, and Denaro. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter in private buildings.
RIP.
Flash flood warning remains in effect until 5 p.m. this afternoon for north central Greene and west central Madison counties. At 2:02 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
Replace the flash flood warning with a flood warning! Oh my gosh! They replaced it with the flood warning! Flood warning! Flood warning!
For the following
Yo, flood warning, no way! You know what? Just for giggles.
will be in effect until 5:45 p.m. this afternoon. Replaces flash flood warning. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. The areas affected include, or warning include, Fletcher, Hood,
Both of the radios went off,
McMullen,
nice.
HTTP/.
www weather. Governor/safety flood, turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Of message. Rockingham.
For the following counties in West Virginia, Grant, Hardy, and Pendleton, and Rockingham.
Virginia.
Flood
Look.
warning in effect until 6:30 p.m. this evening. Replaces flash flood warning.
They replaced the flash flood warning, that's why.
The areas affected include portions of Western Virginia and Eastern West Virginia, including the following counties in Western Virginia.
Cancels flood warning, replaces flash flood warning.
Hardy, and Pendleton.
Ugh.
Conditions are expected until 6:30 p.m. Flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or urgent. Additional details at 4:57 p.m. Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flood is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in one area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are happening in one area. Some locations are considered one to two. Safety for turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Post flood help to current vehicles. Flood advisory.
The crowd.
The National Weather Service issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
You activate for an unrecognized message.
Central Virginia, southeastern Culpeper County, in northern Virginia. At 6:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of Orange, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This danger of outdoors, as well as damaged homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Culpeper, Brecken's Ford, Catawba, Stevensburg, Roseville,